Happy weekend, my friends, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Isabel. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy this video. So today I have three small unboxings for you. One is from Hermes, one is from Chanel, and one is from Louis Vuitton. And I picked up the small item from Hermes when I was in Las Vegas. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I was at a conference 2 weeks ago in Las Vegas. I stayed at the Wynn, absolutely loved it. A beautiful, beautiful hotel. And it was only my second time visiting Las Vegas. So I had a lot of fun and had the opportunity to go to some of the shops. So I really enjoyed myself. But honestly, I only picked up this small item, believe it or not. I actually contained myself and did not buy anything else while I was there. But anyhow, let's go ahead and get started. So I did go to the Hermes at the Wynn. I found that they were not rude, but they were not super nice. However, we ended up also going to the Hermes at Crystal City Center, and they were very nice. And that's where I picked up this little cutie. So here is my proof of purchase. And I actually, you know, the lady that took care of me, her name is Adrienne. And she was really nice, really helpful. And this is what I picked up. I'm sure that you know what this is now that you've seen it. She also gave me a sample of some of their perfumes, which anyway, so this is the little cutie. It comes in the very cute orange round cylinder with the very pretty bow up at the top. Sorry, it kind of looks like the Dior one. Let me just show you. So the packaging, you know, kind of resembles the Dior packaging. They come in these cylinder little boxes. They're very pretty. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. I haven't opened this since I purchased it, so we're doing it together. So the little top comes out to reveal. And of course, you know, it's a Twilly. And this is what it looks like. It has hot pink and light green, along with a little bit of orange. This is the back. And this is the front. And I think this is my first Hermes item, actually. And I just, to be frank, the salesperson was extremely nice. She showed my friend a ton of bags that that she was interested in, and different colors and stuff. We didn't have a ton of time, but of course, when I went by the case where they had all of the Twillys, you know I'm a bandeau freak, so I decided to pick this one up. And this one is called, let me just see here, it's called the Cheval Phoenix. Cheval Phoenix, and it's in the vert and the rose. And I will go ahead, hopefully this will focus. There we go. And I will go ahead and link the information down below in case you're interested. This is the smaller size, which I like because I will use this probably to cover the handle on the Clooney. But I thought these were absolutely beautiful colors. I'm not an orange lover, and I know orange is really their color, but so this has a little orange right there. But as you all know, I am a pink lover, so this one seemed to be a really beautiful one. So I picked this one up, and this was really the only item I bought during my Las Vegas trip, believe it or not. So yes, I did manage to exercise some control. Okay, all right, so this is my second item, and it came from Neiman Marcus. It was very nicely wrapped. I've done the best, but I obviously couldn't put it back in correctly. This is the beautiful packaging that it came with, and I already opened it, so I did the best I could to put the bow back together, but it came in the mail, so I wanted to check it and make sure that it was the right item. Anyhow, let me go ahead and just give you a little backstory before I open it. This is a brand new item. I actually saw it in one of the Facebook groups that I belong to, which I will go ahead and link down below. One of the wonderful ladies that's a member of the group had purchased this item, and she posted it on the group, and I saw it, and I was like, oh my God, I have to have this. So I reached out to my SA Quincy at the Palm Beach Chanel boutique. I reached out to my SA at Saks, and none of them had it, and I just couldn't find it anywhere. So I reached out to the lady in the group. She's not a seller. She just is a member of the group, and she had purchased it, and I said, you know, where did you get it? Can you help me? And that's one of the great things about this, you know, community, whether it's YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. She said, yeah, sure, let me give you the name of my SA. Go ahead and get in touch with her, and she's really good, and she'll do what she can to get it for you. And so I did reach out to the SA, and within a few days she had found one, and I went ahead and purchased it through text message, and she shipped it over to me. And when I came home from my conference in Las Vegas, it got delivered that same day. So let's stop talking and let's get right into it. So of course it's got the beautiful camellia flower, the beautiful Chanel ribbon, tied really, really nicely. Comes in the very pretty black Chanel box with Chanel in the front, and the little dust bag. Inside is just personal information for me, and the care booklet right here. Here we go. Here is the dust bag. It says Chanel in the front. And I just love this to reveal the absolutely beautiful Chanel Timeless Classic Cardholder in light pink with the silver hardware. And I hope that the lighting is coming out okay, because this is a very, very soft pink. This is not, it's not a beige. It is a very, very soft light pink, and it is just absolutely beautiful. The moment I saw it, I knew I had to have it, because if you've seen my other videos, you know that I have a Chanel small boy, and it is in the light pink color also, and I have a small Chanel card holder in the same color. So here it is. Again, it's actually called the Timeless Classic Card Holder, light pink in color with the silver hardware. Let me see if you can see right here. And let's go ahead and open her up. Let me just get everything out. So inside is the authenticity card. It's a 25 series. And also inside is, it's got some tissue paper, my receipt, and here is the actual information, which I will go ahead and link down below. But there is the information. And this is, let me just take, it's got some little just papers in here. And inside, this is what she looks like. It's just basically the card holder. It's one big pocket or one big opening where you can put in a lot of cards, and then it's got one slip pocket right here in the front. And that's all it is. And I, if you've watched my videos, I do have this in the black caviar leather, and here it is. So, and it's the exact same thing. The only difference is this one is in black caviar with the gold hardware, and this one is in the light pink lambskin with the silver hardware there. And I think you can see the color better from here. Anyhow, so I am really, really excited. This piece was very difficult to get. Apparently not all of the boutiques ordered it or got it. Saks apparently did not get it because my SA didn't know anything about it and was never able to get me any information on it. And apparently Neiman Marcus did get it, and I'm not sure which other store. But if you're interested in this piece, I would say please contact your SA and Neiman Marcus as soon as possible, because they seem to be difficult to get. While I was in Las Vegas, I looked for it in every Chanel boutique that we went into. I went in and asked for this, and nobody had it. So I think your best bet is, if you want it, that you definitely try and get it through Neiman Marcus, because that's the only place that I was able to get it. Anyhow, so this is my piece from Chanel, and I'm really, really excited. And I'll do another video and just kind of show you the other two pieces that I have in this color so that you can see. But that's why I really, really wanted to get this one, because it matches some of my other things. And I think that these card holders are super convenient. You have a pretty big opening there to put your cards. I personally don't put any coins in these. I just either carry my Louis Vuitton round coin purse, or I just don't carry coins when I'm gonna use these. But anyhow, so this is my second item. And last but not least of my unboxings is Louis Vuitton. Now, this is I would say it's an accessory or a small leather good. Here is my proof of purchase. I bought this at the Louis Vuitton in Aventura. And this is an item that I had pre-ordered absolutely months ago. I saw it on the iPad as an upcoming collection months ago, and I really, really wanted to get it. So it's been a long time. I don't know, it took forever to get it. It is available on the website, I'll let you know. So this is the box that it comes in, and I don't know if it gives you any ideas of what it is. And actually, this is the first, this item, I don't have any Louis Vuitton in this particular, for this particular item. Ugh, that doesn't make sense. Let me just show you. So it's got a drawer box, okay? Inside is the dust bag, and I'm sure by now you really have an idea of what it is. Has the beautiful drawstrings at the top to reveal the Louis Vuitton circle belt. This is, in my opinion, a stunning, stunning belt. I've been waiting for it for months. It is, in my opinion, pricier than a lot of their other belts. This is, it's basically called the circle belt, and it has a floral design all around it, which per the website, it said it was inspired by the Spring Summer 2018 ready to wear collection. And as you can see, it pretty much has a floral print all around it. And it's it looks like if it's kind of like, it gives you it looks like tapestry. And let me show you. This kind of goes with a bandeau that I also bought from Louis Vuitton. Okay, guys, so you won't believe this, and I hope that this will work. But when I went to edit the video, there was no sound for everything. And for the last part, no sound, and it was upside down. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. Hopefully it'll work. Anyhow, I left off, I was talking about the belt and about the fact that it basically matches, coordinates with this particular bandeau, which is also supposed to give you the illusion of tapestry. So as you can see the bandeau right there, it gives you the illusion that it's like a tapestry, but the bandeau is the regular, you know, the regular silk material. So anyhow, this one matches the belt, as you can see, and the belt has the Louis Vuitton in the front with the circle, and like I think I said earlier, I can't even remember now, it's the circle belt. Anyhow, it has this absolutely beautiful flower pattern going through the back with a very light light white and light blue. That's what it looks like. The other side is simply a very light cream color, and yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning, and like I said, I saw it on the iPad months ago, and I was really looking forward to getting it. I never even asked how much it was, and it is, in my opinion, it's one of the most expensive women's belts on there. So it was a pretty penny, but I thought it was very pretty, and I think that I can really style it during the spring. And just so you know, this here, even when I saw it, it's not a chip in the leather, it's not anything, it's just actually, that's just how it is, which is kind of strange, right? Just has that little thing there. I don't know if it's just the pattern of a leaf. I think that's what it is. I think it's like the pattern of a leaf, and you have the same thing over here. So it's kind of like the pattern of the leaf. But yeah, so that's what this looks like, and I will go ahead and insert a picture of how it looks on me. I have not worn it. I did try it on at the store, and I'll go ahead and put it on here at home. But yeah, really beautiful. I did get the size 90. The 85 fit me on the hips, but it was in the very first hole. So the 85 fit me on the very first hole like this, and I like, you know, I think there needs to be some room, so I went ahead and got the 90, and I'll just go ahead and have another hole put in if I want to wear it on my waist. Then obviously I'm going to need another hole because I am a lot smaller on my waist than I am on my hips. So you can see that once I put it on my waist, the back part of the belt is like all the way over here, but this is what it would look like, and it's really pretty. I think that especially now in the spring, it's something that's going to look really nice. And then of course on the hips, which is why I got the big size, it'll be like this. So this is my last item that I picked up at Louis Vuitton. I'll go ahead and put all the information down below, and I'll go ahead and insert a picture. This is available on the website, I believe in 3 sizes. I think it's available in 80, 85, and 90. And I think it's really beautiful, and it'll look nice with a lot of different looks. So anyway, I think that's it, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that I can fix this video, and my apologies because I'm not sure where I left off and where I was starting off. But anyway, I'll link all the information down below of everything that I've shown you. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. And other than that, I'll see you later. Have a great rest of the weekend. Bye.